Students, good morning. Today we are going to start with lesson number 7. The name of the lesson is Safety Rules. So all of you open textbook page number 28 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Lesson number 7, Safety Rules. Saina and her classmate are in a traffic training park. The teacher tells her why traffic rules are important. So in this picture we can see that Saina and her friends and teacher are in a traffic training park and the teacher is telling the importance of traffic rule. So let's see what the teacher is saying. We must follow traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. So the teacher is explaining the importance of traffic rule, how important it is to follow traffic rule. If we will not follow the rules properly, it is possible that we can hurt our own self, and it is possible that because of our mistake we can hurt some other people also. Now let's see ahead. It is important to follow safety rules and to be safe. So first we are going to study about safety on the road. Always go out with an elder. So children, whenever you go out, whenever you go on the road, it is important that there should be an elder, means a big person should be there with you always. Walk on the pavement. You should not walk directly on the road. Pavement is a raised part. To walk on the side of the road, you should always use pavement to walk on it. Then the next point is cross the road at the zebra crossing. You should always use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Don't play on the road. You should not play on the road. You should not drive cycles, bicycles quickly on the road, because if we other vehicles are coming and we are playing on the road, it can injure us. So we should not play on the road. The next point is before crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right. Cross the road only when it is clear. When you are crossing the road, you should look into both the direction, to the left direction, to the right direction. Sometimes on a road we see that vehicles are coming from both the direction. So when there is no vehicle coming, you can cross the road. So these are some safety rules we should follow on the road. Now let's go ahead. On textbook page number 29, we see this question. Answer orally. Why are the black and white lines painted on the road for crossing it called as zebra crossing? So, I have written the answer over here. These lines are, this picture we see is the picture of a zebra crossing, and this is a zebra. So we can see that this black and white line resemble the lines on the body of zebra. The lines remember remind us about the zebra, so they are called as zebra crossing. So let's see here. The black and white lines are painted on the road to cross the road safely. They remind us of the black and white lines on the body of zebra. So they are called as zebra crossing. So whenever you will see at the lines on the road of, you will remember of a zebra. Now, fun time. Color the traffic lights. Read what each color says. So in your textbook page number 29, you have to color the traffic lights. When I turn red, I want you to stop. So red color indicates that we should stop. When I turn yellow, I want you to get ready. So whenever the traffic light turns yellow, we should get ready. We know that we have to move in some time. When I turn green, I want you to go. So when the traffic is green and if you are driving, then you should move on. Then the next part which we safety at home. So the next point which we are going to study today is safety at home. So in that first point is do not jump on the bed or sofa. If you will jump on bed or if you will jump on the sofa, we can fall down and get hurt. The second safety rule at home is stay away from fire. Do not play with matchstick. We should not play with matchstick. It can catch fire. We can hurt ourselves, we can burn ourselves, and we can also burn the things which are in our house. So we should not play with the matchstick. The next point is do not touch electrical wires or socket. If you will touch electrical wires or socket on your own, there is a possibility that you will get a shock and you can hurt yourself. Keep away from sharp things like knives and blade. You should not play with knife, you should not play with scissors, you should not play with blades because you can hurt yourself with it. And it's not good to play with them. The next point is do not lean over the balcony railing. If you stay in a flat and you have a balcony, you should not rail on it because there is a possibility that you can fall from the balcony if you are careless. So these are some safety rules we should follow at home. And let's go ahead. Now the third point is safety at school. Walk in a line while going out or up down the stairs. Do not push each other. Yes, this is a very important point. When you are going out, you should always walk in a line in the school. You should not push other students while walking in a line. When you go up down the stairs, you should maintain safe distance. The next point is do not push each other on the swings. When you go out in the garden to play, when you are on the school ground, it is important that you should not push each others because other person can fall and get hurt. The next point is do not jump on the chairs and the desk. When you are in the class and the teacher is not there in the class, you should not stand on the chairs, desk and jump, because if you do like this, there is a possibility that you can get hurt. So children, this is all for today. We learned about how to be safe on the road, how we can be safe at home, how can we be safe at school. It is all for our own good. If we will follow the safety rules, we will be safe, we will not get hurt, we will not hurt others. So safety rules are important and they are for our own good. So this is all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye, take care.